So right now we want to help one of our clients to change our WhatsApp line on our ads manager. So I'm going to be showing you the process in a few minutes. So here is the number, right? So just have to hit connect and they'll be sending a code right now. Alright, so the code has been sent already. So here we go. As we await, skip. Now that we have connected the Facebook with our own WhatsApp number. Now let's just go ahead to cancel this and skip. Now you are done. So we need to carefully this time around remove the old one, which is this. Remove, and like that we have successfully removed the old number and our client will be happy right now. Alright, so we are now trying to add this particular number into our ads account, but we had an issue, but we are going to sort it out very soon. Okay, so let's see what we can do for our clients right here. Let's check out the payments activity. Okay, now we have actually paid just like 100 naira to it. Let's see how we can connect the WhatsApp account right now. So link a business, go for Nigerian. I think we still have our number copied. Let me check. Yes, this is the number. Okay, let me just window V. In case you didn't know, window V. Alright, so continue. So let me ask her for a code. She has sent the code already. Yeah, you see, this is, I like when clients are with you, like they are on point with you as they're working, not causing delay and everything. So let's see what we would encounter now. Let's see if still the same thing. You've reached your ad account maximum. You can increase the limit by making payments into your business account. See your ad account limit in business manager. Okay, so thank God we added 100 naira to it, and I think I would suggest we create another business portfolio, because if you're having issues like this, you might come across some other issues in future. So that would be the best thing for us to do now. Yeah, so like I said, I had to create another business portfolio. Now we have successfully added our WhatsApp account into this new business portfolio. Now let's go ahead to add our Instagram page and every other thing we need to connect to this business portfolio. Yeah, so let's do that ASAP. So let's just we need to copy the profile of this page. Let's go to home. Let's just copy the profile of the page actually, so that Control C, we move to this place actually. Yeah, okay, this is okay. This page is connected to an Instagram account, so you must add both together. You'll be asked to log into yes, you are good. People who will be invited, yes, I agree. Actually, ensure you read everything, add page and Instagram. So we'll be logging into great. So let me just tell her a new code has been sent. Okay, while we await. So let's just copy out the code and we are good to go. Great. Now we have not created an ad account for this yet. Actually, we just want to ensure that everything that needed to be connected has been connected. That is the main reason why we do this. So yeah, let's just wait for it. Actually, still loading. Shouldn't take. Great. As you can see, great, we have successfully added the Instagram and the, let me see, as you can see, we've added this guy here, Instagram. Okay, so for additional settings, we need to log in. Yeah, we know that already. Now for add accounts, you just click on add account. We need to should we move let's create a new ad account. Let's ensure that everything we have here is new. So let's just use our name as well. Okay, ensure you choose your country. So right here we are in Nigeria, Africa, Lagos. Great. So you need to change as you can see, you look for NGN, Nigerian Naira. You get, so links, add, next, my business, yes, create ad account, and we have successfully created the ad account for this business portfolio. Now we can run ads smoothly without any issues. Now we need to add our payment info. All we need to do is just do as if you want to add Nigerian Naira. Do as if you want to pay, but we are not paying yet. So you choose Naira payment with Master or Visa card. You don't need all this. It's a business location and everything. You don't need all this, right? So just next. Just do as if you want to pay. We are not paying anything yet. And we can as well decide to just put probably like 100 Naira. The least you can put in another account for Nigeria is 100 Naira. Okay, so you also have to skip this aspect. Let's just do 100 Naira. As you can see, it brought out 100 Naira the last time because I had used 100 Naira into the previous ad account just for us to fix the issue that we're having. But so right here, we are not even paying anything. Just go back. Let's just go back actually. So basically, if you go to the ads manager now, billing and payments, as you can see, we now have another account, right? Do you get? So basically, that is how to sort, as you can see, that is how to sort the issues that you have. So guys, this is the day 2 actually. So I ran out of power and we're back. So we've been able to sort out every single thing concerning this client's page. As you can see, I've added myself as so I can run ads from my own end without disturbing my client, right? Anytime she wants to run ads, I can just jump up into my own account to run the ads. I've connected the ads account into my own business portfolio, and every single thing has been connected. The Instagram, the WhatsApp, even the pages have been connected. And also for the ads account, actually, we've been able to, as you can see, verify everything: the email address, the Facebook page, and the payment method, which we are going to be using Naira payment, right? I had to screenshots here. I had to just put in some little amount. This is 100 Naira, just to activate, just to keep the ads account up. And this is the notification where it showed your phone number has been confirmed, because I know that most people have these issues in connect. This is actually the issue we had in connecting our phone number to the ad account. which was from this particular business portfolio. We had to create another business portfolio. As you can see now, this one is up and running perfectly. So let me send this to my client and see. Let me send. Come in. I think, yeah, let's send it. So how do you feel now? Yeah, we go. Let's wait for a reply. So waiting for a reply. Let's see. Okay, she has seen it, and let's wait for see what she said though. Let me say lol. I guess you're happy now. Oh, thank you so much. This is asking for my rate now. So as you can see, contact us. We will. Even myself, I'm actually, when you do a work and it's successful, you yourself that you are offering that service, you will be happy, right? So contact us for any of your ad issues. Maybe you have issues with your ad account, or you want to do everything from scratch. Just contact us, and we will do our best for you. Yeah, we are Omni Mode Media Productions. Stay sharp.